This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Jaguar E-Pace key fob battery. First, make sure you have a fresh CR2032 battery ready to go. You will also need a small flathead screwdriver, which will help you open the fob without causing any damage. Find a clean, well-lit area to work in so you can clearly see all the small components. This preparation will make the process much smoother and quicker for you. Now, let's open up your key fob. Look for the small release button, usually located on the side or back of the fob. Press this button and then slide out the emergency key. This key is essential for manually opening your car door if the fob battery dies. Once the emergency key is removed, use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Be careful not to force it. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Before you remove it, take a quick moment to note its orientation, paying attention to which side is facing up. This will ensure you insert the new one correctly. Carefully pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, making sure it matches the orientation of the old one. It should fit snugly into place. Finally, it's time to put everything back together. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating that the fob is securely closed. Don't forget to slide the emergency key back into its slot. Once reassembled, test your key fob to ensure it locks and unlocks your vehicle properly. You should be all set. Also, check the description below for a link to some great car accessory deals, including a popular air freshener and other helpful products.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.